back to my channel, and as most of you guys know, I went on a road trip with my mother. We stopped off at Loretta Lynn's ranch, we visited her home and toured the museum, and then we went to Memphis and we toured Graceland and enjoyed our time there. We went over to Martin Luther King's Civil Rights Museum. We just did not get to go into the museum because it was closed, but we did get to go outside of the museum. And then we made our way over to St. Louis, but I did pick up a few treasures while we were out and about doing our thing, and I thought I'd go ahead and share with you guys what I picked up on our road trip. So the first thing that I picked up on my road trip was this cute little Christmas ornament that just says Loretta Lynn on it, and I like to collect an ornament from every place that I go visit, and this is kind of like the only little ornament that they had available there. This was $5.99, and I just thought it was really cute. I'm gonna actually put the date on it and just kind of put on there that was my road trip with my mom and that I went with her. That way I can remember this for years to come. So she bought one as well, so I was really very happy to have that and be able to remember the trip on my Christmas tree every single time I look at it. And then I stopped off, we stopped off at Memphis, and of course we had to pick up something at Graceland, so we did. And I actually picked up a couple of things actually for my cousin, and I'm going to send these to him when I get his address. First thing first though, I'll show you guys what I picked up for myself. Okay, so the first thing that I picked up was this cute Christmas ornament, and it's the shape of a guitar, and it just says Elvis Presley's Graceland, Memphis, Tennessee on it, and I absolutely love it. This was $12.99. It is super, super cute. I hope that you guys can like really get a good look of it because I love it. It's so awesome. It's like a gold plated. It's not real gold, but anyway, I love it. So got that, and then I got this magnet that I'm going to put on my refrigerator that just says I love Elvis, because I have always loved Elvis. I always loved his music. I love his movies. And it was just, again, something to remember our trip by. It was so awesome going with my mom. We had such an awesome time. And this was $6.99. And then I picked up 6 different postcards, and this postcard is the one I'm going to send to my cousin in Tennessee because he loves Elvis as well. I kid you not, like, he channels Elvis through him, like the clothing that he wears. He has a huge like taking care of business ring that he wears. But anyway, so I got this postcard for him, and then I got this keychain for him as well, that so he can have a keychain that says TCB on it. And then this one has it has like a little key on it that's, or it's not a key, it just has Graceland on it, little like thingy that has Graceland on it. Super cute, but it's a keychain. And then I'm just gonna send this to him with the postcard, and so he'll love that. Trust me, he will love it. Alrighty, and then I picked up this postcard that I absolutely love as well, because again, it's Elvis. Love it. I love it, love it. And these are like 3 for 99 cents or something like that, so it's definitely worth it. And then I picked up this one because, hello, gorgeous, so cute. I absolutely love this one too. And then I picked up this one because Brian and I stayed at the Heartbreak Hotel in 2010, and then they tore the hotel down, and so I decided I wanted to get one that says Heartbreak Hotel on it, just to remember that Brian and I stayed there before they tore it down and rebuilt the new hotel, but which is also a very gorgeous hotel. But anyway, I got this one, and then I got this one because I love Elvis black and white pictures. These are amazing. I don't know if they say anything. Elvis and Elvis Presley are registered trademarks. It doesn't actually say like what year this picture was taken, but I love it. And then I like this one too because it's just got a bunch of different like pictures of Elvis on there. So just love this picture. Love this. And then when we went to the St. Louis Arch, I got a couple of things there as well. This one, I gotta unwrap first, is a mug. You guys know how I love my mugs, but I love this one because I love the colors on it. It was so like retro. This says St. Louis on it, and of course there's the arch, and anything else, there's the Capitol that you see when you're looking out the arch windows. But I just love the colors of it as well. It's just so pretty. This was $10.95. So I love this. I'm so excited to have this mug. And again, it just kind of commemorates the trip that I took with my mom. So we had a really good time. And then lastly, what I picked up at the Arch store was this ornament. Again, it just says St. Louis Gateway Arch, St. Louis. So I picked that up, and this was $7.95. I love this ornament as well. And then I picked up a magnet, another magnet that I could put on my refrigerator. Again, something that I can always remember our little trip by. And it's just a small little magnet, and this magnet was $6.95. So I love it. I'm really happy about it. I really enjoyed the trip with my mom. We created a lot of fun memories, and we laughed so hard that we cried. We had a really, really good time, and I was so happy that I decided to take this little road trip with my mom and spend that time with her, because time is precious with your parents and you don't know what's promised tomorrow. So I was very, very thankful to have this opportunity to be able to spend that time with her. And you know, we're looking forward to another trip in the future, so hopefully that will work out for us, and we'll go on another road trip. But I just wanted to share with you guys a few of the things that I picked up on my road trip. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you haven't watched any of my epic road trip videos with my mom, I will go ahead and link them up here so you guys can go ahead and click on those and watch them. And if you enjoyed watching them, watch them again, because we had a really, really good time. So thank you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!